Hello, Deputy Dennis with the Sheriff's Office. You know I'm pulling you over.
I made noise.
Huh?
Because I made noise?
You slid your tires and your exhaust is screaming as you come around the bend right there.
I did not slide my tires.
Huh?
I did not slide my tires. I hit the gas, but I did not slide my tires.
Deputy Dennis pulled over the driver for allegedly sliding tires around a bend, yet the driver insisted he only accelerated without losing traction. What began as casual compliments about the 2009 ex-Border Patrol car's cleanliness quickly shifted to demands for license, registration, insurance, and questions about ownership duration, classic tactics to probe for inconsistencies without articulable facts. The deputy's pivot to running the VIN under the guise of admiration exposed the pretext, as no actual violation beyond a noisy acceleration was evident on the dash cam footage.
I did not slide my tires. I did not break loose. I didn't do anything.
I got
like
you.
that.
You got your license with you? Is this your car?
Yes.
Which car, bro? I get it. How long you have this car?
About a year.
It's nice.
Thank you. I appreciate it. It's an old Border Patrol car in Arizona.
I just say it looks super clean for being. What year is it?
2009.
I was gonna say it's probably like a 10. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it from an auction out in Arizona. Still got the column shifter and everything.
Oh, you got insurance on it?
Yeah.
Alright. If you want to work on finding that, I'm gonna go run you real quick and then we'll switch out here.
Okay, I appreciate you, bro. Hey, I didn't realize, so apparently it's expired on the August 11th, so I must have the new one at the house, but I do have one. Here's my last two of the last 2 years.
Okay. There's no weapons in the car?
I have my firearm on me.
Okay. Where is it at?
On my waist.
It's on you? Okay. Do you care if I run it?
I do, yeah. That's not necessary.
Okay. Huh?
I said I do because it's not necessary.
Okay, but there's nothing else in the car, nothing else illegal. Would you care if I looked?
Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, no, you can't look. No, you can't look in my car, no.
I can't check.
You can't search my car, no.
Okay. So, what? There's no meth in here? No heroin?
No.
There's no fentanyl?
No.
What? Why?
What do you mean?
Huh?
You said what?
I'm just asking.
Because you can't search my car.
I'll just hang tight for me,
Okay.
right? I'm probably start citation stuff. We'll get a dog. We'll do a free air, and then we'll go from there. Okay?
Because I won't let you search. All right. That's what I'm saying, bro. You try to be nice with him. I was trying to be nice with this kid in the beginning, bro, and now he wants to try and reach, talking about, oh, can I run your gun? And now he wants to search my car. Like, bro, get the fuck out of here, bro. This is why I don't be nice to you, man. It's always some lame shit. Look, we got another one pulling up. I almost felt though. I almost said yeah, 'cause I thought he was gonna say, can I check you for weapons? I thought, man, I answered too quickly.
One hour later.
Here you go, buddy. Slow down, alright?
Alright, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. He don't want to do all the citation and extra shit. Fucking weirdo. Hopefully that lady cop talks some sense into his ass. Say, dude just managed to showcase every fishing expedition that they try and use, bruh. From the gun to the open air sniff to just anything that they can do, bruh, to try and get you. That's crazy, bruh. But it is what it is, bro. That's how you handle it. Y'all stay calm. You know, I started getting a little hot there. I ain't gonna. Once he mentioned that citation, I'm like, bro, see, why am I even trying to be nice to these, bro? Because I'm gonna get a citation anyway, and y'all see, I ain't get sideways or nothing, bro. Just like I told him, I literally, like I say, I hit the gas, but I didn't break loose or anything like that. And here he come again. And it's funny because you see he started talking about the how nice it was for it to be a 09 and stuff like that. He was 9 times out, bro, I promise you, 9 times out of 10, he was gonna sit there and try and talk about, oh, well, what motor's in this? Is it swapped? Look, as we speak, there's another one going down the street. Let's see what he do.
Once back at the vehicle, the deputy noted expired insurance but accepted prior proofs, then fixated on the driver's admitted waist-carried firearm. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers may pat down for weapons only with reasonable suspicion of criminal activity and danger, not as a routine fishing tool. Refusing to consent to running the gun serial or searching the vehicle prompted threats of a citation and a K-9 unit for a free air sniff, despite no odor, paraphernalia, or behavior indicating drugs. This retaliation for asserting rights transformed a minor traffic stop into punitive harassment, abandoning the original tire-squealing claim when consent was denied. An hour later, a second officer arrived, yet no dog materialized, and the deputy handed back documents with the vague, "slow down" warning instead of any ticket. Wren v. United States allows pretextual stops if a traffic violation occurs, but prolonged detention without cause violates the Fourth Amendment's reasonableness standard. The initial aggression evaporated upon realizing the driver's calm refusal and recording thwarted escalation, proving the stop was never about safety but opportunistic probing. Another vehicle audibly floored past without pursuit, underscoring the selective enforcement targeting this clean, auction-bought Crown Vic. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.